Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions partners here at Fixate Media. Today we're going to demonstrate the file download widget. To begin with, of course, make sure you're logged into your Duda site and in the editing mode. Here I have a blank row prepared. I'm going to go over to the widget section and I'm going to look for the widget called File. I'm going to drag that widget into the row and then it will open for me. Our first option is to decide what text we would like to have on the button. So maybe we'll say download file now. And then this plus button is going to allow you to upload a file. And I'm going to drag and drop a file I have prepared on my desktop. And then click upload. The upload is now complete. And I will select that download file to connect to the button. Next up, I of course have my design options, and here you can adjust your button layout, shape, and other aesthetic choices. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fixate Duda experts.